Welcome back, food lovers. Today we are packing massive flavours into a spectacular 4-minute tour of 3 viral, crowd-pleasing recipes. We are starting off strong with a crunch-filled deep dish Southwest salad pizza. Next, we move to Guy Fieri's famous crispy crab burgers with a textured Celery Root Slaw. Finally, we finish with an ultra-crispy, completely pork-free and alcohol-free Korean Seoul beef bowl. Let's get cooking. We kick things off with the viral Southwest salad pizza. The base is a thick, golden deep dish crust made from unbleached flour, active dry yeast, kosher salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Spread a warm layer of savoury refried beans directly onto the dough. Then layer on a pound of lean ground turkey, seasoned with tomato paste, chili powder, paprika, and garlic. Top with a heavy cup of shredded cheddar cheese and bake at 550 degrees until bubbling. Once baked, pile on a vibrant mountain of fresh greens, red cabbage, kale, sweet corn, radishes, and carrots. Crush crunchy tortilla chips on top, and drizzle with a smoky homemade chipotle ranch made from Greek yogurt, low-fat yogurt, and adobo sauce. Reviewers absolutely love this unique mashup, with online home cooks saying the contrast between the hot cheesy crust and the ice-cold crunchy salad dressing is pure perfection. It's fresh, comforting, and incredibly fun. Next up, Guy Fieri's iconic crab burgers. To maximise the sweet seafood flavour with minimal filler, mix 1 pound of premium lump crab meat with white bread soaked in rich heavy cream, egg whites, and a heavy dust of Old Bay seasoning. Add finely chopped Vidalia onions, celery, scallions and garlic sautéed beautifully in butter and olive oil. Gently shape them into thick patties and let them firm up in the fridge for 10 minutes. For the legendary topping, grate a pound of crisp celery root and toss it with a rich remoulade made of mayonnaise, whole grain mustard, lemon juice, fresh thyme, and alcohol-free apple cider vinegar. Sear your crab patties in butter until deeply golden brown on both sides. Serve immediately on a toasted bun under an overflowing heap of this crunchy slaw. One reviewer noted, a brilliant, sophisticated twist on standard cabbage slaw. The crab cakes are remarkably rich and delicious. For our grand finale, we are making a spectacular pork-free and alcohol-free version of the famous Food Network Seoul Bowl, using rich marbled beef belly. The magic lies in the deep Korean marinade. Whisk together gochujang, hot pepper paste, sweet honey, premium soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, fresh ginger and minced garlic. Let the beef soak in this rich glaze in the refrigerator for 24 hours to lock in immense flavour and tenderness. Accompany this with house-made banchan pickles. Combine a quick Napa cabbage kimchi with garlic and gochujang flakes. Pickle crisp cucumbers in a sweet alcohol-free apple cider vinegar brine and toss bean sprouts with sesame oil. Sear your beef belly until the edges are beautifully charred and caramelized. Layer it over a steaming bed of jasmine rice. Arrange your colourful pickles around it and drizzle with the remaining thickened gochujang glaze. It's a visual and flavourful masterpiece. In just under 5 minutes, you have 3 spectacular custom-tailored meals completely free of pork and alcohol. From the refreshing crunch of the salad pizza to the gourmet richness of the crab burger and the bold comfort of the beef bowl, these are guaranteed crowd pleasers. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing culinary guides. Bon appétit!